Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming by and spending some time with me. Today I have some great gift ideas. I put some gifts together. I hope it helps you in your gift giving this year. I picked up some stuff at the Dollar Tree. I'm dying to share with you guys. Of course, I picked up some more socks. You know me and my Dollar Tree socks. I have at the end of the video. So if you want to see what I put together, keep watching. I want to thank the subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Hit that subscribe button. Click the bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. I'm hoping to get to share with you the after Christmas sales that I go. I love going after Christmas and picking up some great deals of Christmas stuff on clearance for next year. For during the year, I'm really excited to get that video up for you guys. So again, hit that bell and that subscribe button so you don't miss out on that video. First, I want to share with you my socks. You know me, I love my Dollar Tree socks. I picked up 4 pairs of socks. I love them. I picked up this purple and cupcake and donut socks for Catherine. You know, she likes to use these colorful socks underneath her scrubs. I'll say it again, Dollar Tree socks are amazing. I picked up this one. I found it, I couldn't resist. It has popcorn and French fries and sodas and hamburgers. I mean, come on. I got these. These are 2 packs. And I have this one open for you so you can see. This set has penguins. You see? I love my socks at the Dollar Tree. This one has the penguins and the second pair is a polka dot. I picked up these 2 games. They have cards inside. I've never seen this before at the Dollar Tree. I found it really interesting, so I grabbed 2. I picked up the Family Feud, and this has 57 cards inside. It has the question, and it gives you like 6 or 7 answers to the question. We'll be playing Family Feud on Christmas Eve. And I picked up this one, Charades. That's going to be interesting. So we'll see how that goes on Christmas Eve. I picked up a few trinkets to have like for an unexpected guest. These are great things to have in the house. I found these so cute. This is a ring holder, jewelry holder. This one is an elephant. Cute. And these are angel wings. Isn't that pretty? This doesn't look like it came from the Dollar Tree, so I grabbed these to have as extra gifts, just in case, you know, wrap it up. Here, Merry Christmas. And for extra stocking stuffers, I picked up these flashlights. I found these amazing. They are flashlights. I'm going to try and turn it on without blinding myself. It's a flashlight, can you see? But they're super thin and they're magnet. I bought one for each of the girls for the car. This is something really nice to have in the car. So I got them a few as stocking stuffers for them. And I also picked up these cute little mittens. They're like coin purses. I got a blue and a beige and a green. And I picked up some ornaments. I just wanted to share with you. I picked up this reindeer. It's got some glitter. I don't know if you can see that. But I found them so handsome. I picked up this top hat. I found that so pretty. And of course, I couldn't leave the car with the tree that everybody's hauling. This ornament is beautiful. And I also picked up these candle holders. They're reindeer. This doesn't look like it came from the Dollar Tree. This looks like it came from Pier 1. And finally, I got more bags. I love my Dollar Tree bags. They have so many pretty bags. I got this blue and gray and silver. This is beautiful. I got this beige. It says love. It's so pretty. And I got 2 of these birdie bags. I love my bags at Dollar Tree. Well, I hope that helps with that last minute shopping you may have. I put some gifts together for you. I hope this helps with your gift giving and give you some ideas, some inspiration. Remember, it is the thought that counts. I love you guys. I'll see you soon. So for the first gift, I picked up this box at the Dollar Tree. I really just like the shape and the color. It has its Christmas ornaments on the front. And for this gift, I'm going to put the top facing up and the box on top. And in here, I have a plastic bag and then I have tissue paper on top. You do want to get your tissue paper at the Dollar Tree. You get 35 for $1. That's a great deal, and these are really big. They're 20 by 20s. And the items I'm going to put in this gift, I got the Bolero bath salts. I'm really liking these salts. They smell really good, so I'm going to put one of those in there. I got a pack of the Bolero bath bombs. You get 3 bath bombs, so I'm going to put one of those in there. Then I got one of the Bolero bath soaps, so I'm going to put one in there. This is a big bar of soap. And then I got a spongy from the Dollar Tree. You get 2 in a pack, and this is the big size. It's got its rope, and I just picked this color because it kind of matches. That, my friends, is a pretty $5 gift from the Dollar Tree. You got your 4 products and $1 for the box. That's $5. That's a great deal. For the second gift, I got this box. It's a snowman. It's red and white. It's got its cover. Snowman. I found that really cute. So again, I'm going to put the top down, the box on top. And for this gift, I picked up the Bolero Cranberry hand wash. This is a big jar. I love the bottle. So I'm going to put one of those in there. I picked up the facial wipes. They had some really good reviews on other YouTube channels, so I picked up one. You get 30 wipes in a packet. And then I got a facial mask. I couldn't find the foot mask, but I picked up this facial mask. Last but not least, I can't leave out my Dove hand cream, and I'm going to place that right in there. And that, my friends, is another pretty present from the Dollar Tree for $5. This next gift, I picked up a frame from the Dollar Tree. This is a 5x7, and all I did was put a piece of scrapbook paper. So I cut it to size. I flipped the back side, and that's going to be my base. And to that, I got this rose gold votive. I'm going to place that right here. Black Friday, I was able to get some high-end mascaras from Ulta. Had all of their high-end mascaras for $10. I'm going to place that in there. And I was able to pick up a packet of cosmetic brushes. All I did was put a bow and tied it up. And at the Dollar Tree, I found this little jar. I found it so cute. It says Count Your Blessing. It comes with its lid. I found that so pretty. I'm going to place that right there. And I'll be wrapping up these presents for you, so stay to the end so you can see how I put them all together. For my next gift, I picked up another frame at the Dollar Tree. This is again a 5x7. I just put a piece of scrapbook in there to match the frame, flipped it over, and this is going to be my base. I got a gold votive to match the frame. Got that at the Dollar Tree. This is a really nice size. I found these ring holders. I found them so cute. I'm going to place that right here, and I'm going to place in this one another mascara I got from Ulta for $10. For my last gift, I picked up this glass cutting board. I've never seen this at the Dollar Tree before. I fell in love with it. It's a nice size cutting board. I'm going to place this as my base. I got a bottle of wine for this one, and no, I didn't get that at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to place this bottle of wine right here, and I have some stemless wine glasses. I didn't get this at the Dollar Tree, but the Dollar Tree has a lot of nice, pretty wine glasses. And then I did pick up this Jenga, really cute. I'm going to place that right in here, like for a date night. This would be really cute. I got a deck of cards at the Dollar Tree. I thought that'd be a nice addition to my date night gift. And I did find these wine toppers. I've never seen them, and they're really cute, and this is ceramic, so I want to place one of these right in here, and that is my 5th gift. Okay, to wrap these presents, what I'm going to use is this shrink wrap I got from the Dollar Tree. When you pull it out, you're going to need a blower. I'm using my craft blower, but you can use a regular hair blower. And there you have it, guys. A few gift ideas I hope inspire you in your gift giving this year. I wish everybody the best this holiday season. I love you guys. Happy holidays. Till the next time. Bye-bye.